This is Neeraj from AgriPie. Around 2 weeks ago, I got a message from a student in Brazil, some Brazil university, I don't remember the name, to ship if I could send some concept sculpture on filter paper. Filter paper is also a long-term storage format and it works very well as it is resistant to heat because of being in almost dry state, and it can withstand the high temperature during transition or shipping period. So I told yes, it can be done, and let's see. I plan these sculpture plates. These sculpture plates. I will remove the those filter papers with rich mycelia and transfer to the sterile petri dish using these sterile forceps, and then will be transferred to that sterile, that is desiccator, with orange silica granules which will absorb moisture in the petri dish.
That's very beautiful growth of mycelia on filter paper. That's also at 39. It is F43. Very good growth, uniform growth of mycelia on filter paper. That's very good. Let me remove the parafilm so that we can process all those plates in a go. Parafilms are required to cover the petri dish, to seal the petri dish, because uh, to prevent the drying of agar media during 2 or 3 weeks long incubation period, as well as to prevent the entry of contaminants from outside inside the petri dish. So this is sterile forceps, sterilized in hot air oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Follow proper aseptic conditions. Okay, carefully peel off the filter paper one by one and transfer to sterile package. See how clean the filter paper comes. That's very beautiful. The whole mycelia will come uh, uh, along with the filter paper. So a sort of patience is required. So very beautiful, clean removal of filter paper along with the mycelia. That carotenoid development has occurred due to exposure to light during incubation period, maybe diffused light. Okay, finally done for both the strains. Now these petri dishes will be carefully transferred to sterile desiccator with desiccant silica gel. Okay, I have connected the desiccator with vacuum pump, and the lid and base of the desiccator is sealed with sellotape, good quality sellotape, so that outside air does not enter the desiccator. So it is the sellotape. It is around 0.8 psi, 8 bar. The vacuum is created. This process will happen 2 to 3 times a day, and the petri dish, uh, uh, the filter paper with mycelia will be almost dry. Approx 90% moisture will be lost in the next 1 to 2 days. These filter papers can be sealed in airtight sterile vials or zip bags and can be used for around a decade. That's a very good method, very cheap with minimal resource consumption.